Hi everyone, we're here at Merrick Square in Pembroke Pines. This is the new construction with DR Horton. They just released yesterday, July 17th. We're here today, July 18th, to take a tour of all the models they have currently. Currently there's 4 models and they're on their way. There's available 4 to 6 lots and they're gonna be released in different time as things get sold. Come and take a tour. This will be an exclusive look firsthand. So here we are on the corner of 172nd and Pines Boulevard. As you can see, they're starting to build some of the foundation to some of the areas. We have right now the completed models. They're still waiting to complete the driveway and some of the inside. Again, this is an inside look before they release them. They just opened up a few days. As you can see, it's concrete block. This is what it's gonna look like once the product is finished. You got gutters in the front area of the driveway, entry walkway, paved driveway, double metal garage door, impact throughout, windows and doors. Here we're inside the Wesley. This is one of the biggest models being offered right now. Total 1962 square feet under air with a total of almost 2,200. This one offers a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, and a 1-car garage. Now this one has one of the bedrooms downstairs in the first story, right to the front exposure of the home, with its slightly walk-in closet. Here's a different look with a different touch. Same model, the Wesley, just different finishes. As you can see, white shaker cabinets, a beautiful waterfall. We go upstairs. So we go upstairs, spacious area. We have the laundry room. Walk over to the master suite. The master suite is massive, great space, tons of light with a walk-in closet. And walk over to the master bathroom, double vanity, stand-up shower. Here's the guest bathroom. Let's see the utility closet. Here's bedroom 3. Again, with a walk-in closet, very spacious room. Standard carpet upstairs. Here's the 4th bedroom. With tons of light. Again, spacious closet. Something that I love about this model is plenty of space, very spacious, and a ton of storage. Let's walk down to the stairs from here. Here's the guest bathroom upstairs, full bath. Again, they're still putting the finishing touches as these models just opened up today. And quite frankly, they're not really open. This is a first look preview to agents in the area. I want to point out how big this walk-in closet is. It's almost 6 feet by 6 feet. Bathroom also massive, good stand-up shower, plenty of space for at least 2 people to shower. And you have your toilet completely closed off for privacy with a window. So that completes the tour for the Wesley model. We're going to show you the other 3 models that are available in the community. Again, the community is on Pines Boulevard and 172nd Avenue. It's centrally located. You got a Whole Foods, you have restaurants, major highways and attractions, A-rated schools. And on top of that, the builder is offering a ton of incentives for buyers. Whether it's your first-time home buyer, whether you got to sell property and buy this, please reach out with any questions you may have. One of the incentives that I think is huge, especially given today, right now the current market interest rate is about a 6.89, and the builder is offering an interest rate in the mid-5s. That's huge. Also, if you have any questions or would like to see any further, please hit subscribe. Comment below, let me know what you think. This Wesley model starts in the mid 650s, depending on the lot that's being released and the kind of features you pick out for your bathrooms. You're looking at an average price point of $689 for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1-car garage, corner townhouse, paved driveway, CVS block, impact rated everything, in a great location. Again, thank you for joining me. My name is Francisco Ramirez with One Sotheby's and movestoflorida.com.